How much does ceramic coating add to detailing? Have you ever wondered how much ceramic coating can really impact the cost of car detailing? If you are a teenager who just got your driver's license or you are thinking about owning a car, this is important information for you. Let's break it down. Ceramic coating typically adds between $500 and $1,000 to the cost of a professional car detailing service for a standard-sized vehicle. If you have a larger vehicle or one that needs extensive paint correction, the price can rise to $5,000. This coating is a liquid polymer that bonds with your car's paint, creating a strong protective layer. It helps repel water, dirt, and harmful ultraviolet rays from the sun. Now, why should you care about this? As a teen driver, understanding the costs associated with car ownership is essential. While regular detailing might involve washing and waxing, which can cost less, ceramic coating offers long-term benefits. It reduces the need for frequent waxing, which can cost between $50 and $100 per session. Think about it. If you spend more upfront on ceramic coating, you could save money in the long run. It helps prevent expensive paint repairs that can range from $500 to over $1,000. So, investing in ceramic coating could keep your car looking newer for a longer time and save you from costly repairs. For responsible car ownership, ceramic coating is a smart choice. It protects your vehicle's paint from damage caused by sun exposure, dirt, and other environmental factors. Plus, it makes cleaning your car much easier. The coating's water-repelling properties allow water and grime to bead off, which means less time spent washing your car. However, since ceramic coating is more expensive than regular detailing, you should consider your budget. If you plan to keep your car for several years and want to maintain its appearance and resale value, ceramic coating might be worth it. But if you are on a tight budget or plan to change cars soon, regular detailing and waxing could be a more practical option. In summary, ceramic coating adds several hundred to a few $1,000s to detailing costs. It provides durable protection that can lower future maintenance expenses and keep your car looking great. This is especially useful for teens learning about responsible car ownership.